Check out our newest feature release. Now, IP addresses are included in your form and survey submissions. So, what are IP addresses in forms and survey submissions? Well, it's pretty basic. Forms and surveys in our CRM are now going to capture and display the IP address of the person filling out that form or survey upon submission. Why this matters and how it's going to be able to help you and your business. With this simple little feature update, you're now going to be able to access IP addresses in form and survey submissions. You'll be able to use IP data for better understanding of user interactions and behaviors, as well as IP addresses that are now included in downloadable PDFs and CSV files. I'm going to go a step farther and say that IP addresses are a great way to track where your users are from if people are mass filling out forms or surveys, or where those people are located if you ever need to go back and track how they came into your system. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First, I'd like you to access Sites in the left-hand navigation menu. And when the upper navigation menu opens up, I want you to select Forms and then go down to Submissions. Now, this is going to work exactly the same way on surveys. You would basically select surveys and then you would select submissions. So it's pretty much the same. Now, when you view those submissions, you're going to now see the IP address of the person who filled out that form. It's that simple.